What's the meaning of creepy-crawly? Creepy-crawly. Creepy-crawly.
Creepy-crawly. Creepy-crawly. Creepy-crawly refers to something that gives a sensation of fear, discomfort, or disgust, often associated with things that crawl or slither. The term is commonly used to describe insects or other small creatures that make people feel uneasy. When you encounter something that is creepy-crawly, you may feel a tingling sensation on your skin or a general feeling of unease. This can cause physical reactions such as goosebumps, shivers, or even nausea. Overall, the term creepy-crawly refers to something that elicits a primal fear or aversion in people.